Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Tally on your MacBook. Tally Prime is a robust accounting software, widely used for managing business finances. While it isn't natively built for Mac OS, there are several effective ways to run it on your Apple device. We will explore three primary methods: using virtual machines, setting up boot camp, or leveraging convenient cloud-based solutions. These approaches ensure you can access Tally's full suite of features, from inventory to payroll, right from your Mac. One popular way to run Tally is through virtualization software, such as Parallels Desktop or VMware Fusion. These tools create a virtual Windows environment on your Mac, letting you switch between operating systems seamlessly. For Intel-based MacBooks, Boot Camp is another option, installing Windows directly for native performance. This means Tally runs as if it were on a Windows PC. Both require a Windows operating system license and dedicated storage space, typically around 60 gigabytes. For a simpler approach, consider cloud-based Tally solutions. These services host Tally on remote servers, allowing you to access it from your MacBook through a web browser or a remote desktop application. This method is incredibly convenient, as it bypasses the need to install Windows or Tally directly on your Mac. You benefit from features like automatic data backups, enhanced security, and the flexibility to manage your accounts from anywhere with an internet connection, saving significant local resources. To optimize your Tally experience on a MacBook, always ensure regular data backups, especially when using local installations. If you opt for a virtual machine, allocate ample RAM and processor cores for smooth operation, typically at least 8 gigabytes of RAM. Consider your specific needs. Cloud solutions offer flexibility, while Boot Camp provides maximum performance for Intel Macs. Tally's features, including inventory, payroll, and GST compliance, are fully accessible, helping you manage your business efficiently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.